Hey guys, we got us a no heat call. This one may be something easy. It's the day after Christmas. I'm not doing a whole lot. Come with me. We'll go in and see what's going on. All right.
See, that go the stem right there.
Oh, so
And that get kept. It fell right. You see it down there?
let me see.
It kept down there. It just popped off.
I see it. Where's the stem at?
Right here.
Oh, it's in the back there.
Yeah, it moved.
I see. I see. All right, there's a cap down there. See, how can I get to that? Yeah, there's that cap right down in there. Not down there. Look what I just got. All right.
Kind of hard hole and I got some snips leaving on it. Oh, you got some too.
Yeah.
Try to reach.
I don't know that.
No, it does, bro.
It's supposed to be right there in the middle.
It ain't broke. Go through there.
I gotta get that. No. All right, we finally got that on there. Got their pilot lit. Got them going. I'm limited what I can do with these things. Hold on a sec. I got a good flame rollout on this. Y'all see that? That is flame rolling out. I'm not sure I can leave this like this. These things don't have gas valves where I can check pressure. I'm turning the gas valve off over here. I don't like that. Carbon monoxide meter. Whew. All right, try to show you what I just saw. All right, this is a carbon monoxide meter. My other ones, the high dollar ones, ain't working. I turned the gas off inside as well. Those furnaces, they are like kind of grandfathered in. If you got one, you can keep it, but I can't install a new furnace like that. It has to be something vented. And I know they're not going to want to do that, so from this point out, I'm just labeling it dangerous and notifying the landlords that it's got flame rollout and it's producing carbon monoxide. Well guys, in a case like that one, I turned off the gas. I didn't just do that. In the bill, I documented everything that I found and listed that I turned everything off, and I contacted the utility company and said, hey, this has a significant fire risk. I would sleep better at night if the gas meter is locked off. So they may come behind me and lock it off. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, how about like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.